Other people, not you.
Pegu. If you guys are wondering where I am right now, Mario has dragged me all the way to a dental studio, Studio 32. What are you going to do today? Like, for what reason?
I'm thinking of changing my dentist currently. So one of our friends, Saili, is a dentist at Studio 32. So we have come here to check. So I just want a good dentist to correct some things in my mouth.
I was not able to eat my lunch because the appointment was at 3, but it's fine. Anyway, sometimes I eat at around 3:30, 3:45. Hopefully it gets done quickly. Now, if you guys are wondering where Studio 32 is, it's in Karanzalem, and where is it? For some reason I thought it's somewhere over here on top. Oh, as I said, there it is on top. Ashray Developers. If you guys need performance marketing, contact me.
Why my hair is not tied? Why? Can you do this?
What was Mario telling you?
What was Mario telling you? What are you messaging? Dude, I thought I was dreaming in that night. What are you messaging with? In the morning I woke up and I told her.
What's your protocol? You need to tie hair or something. She didn't tie. I hope the management sees it.
No, okay, nothing like that. Just that I'm a very well-dressed doctor.
First of all, which new joinee comes with a new joinee only, no? When you joined here?
It's been 3 months now.
Comes with a Thar, bro.
What is your problem? And that's not what I say, by the way. I say, oh hi, welcome, please have a seat.
Do you like Indian without anyone doing the thing?
I have not been working for like only 3 months, man. I've worked in GDC like that before, for about 1 year. Before that, 2 years in KLE also. We started patients in
3 years of experience. No wonder she owns a Thar.
pharmacy and getting well.
On the end of
Horrible question.
I see YouTubers and all in US, they take it and then they act very weird.
Oh my god, it is not that. This is going to numb only like once, like you put it somewhere, it's going to numb only that region of
Oh,
yours.
what's that then?
That is general anesthesia. That you go to GMC and ask them to give you.
I was just exploring around the office, the clinic, and I found this very fascinating. So this is Studio 32. Earlier I saw it, but I did not realize that it was S32. Some crazy stuff. And the ambience is good. Plus I love these things also. My first visit and all. If you're a dental clinic, maybe keep something like this for the kids. All the clients are put up over there on the TV. I mean, not only for kids as well. Adults like me also can come and say like, hey, my first visit. So the other things like, I give a 5-star if you guys enjoyed the service. It's something good, a nice strategy. I loved it, and I definitely love this TV thingy where they display all the clients. Maybe other dental studios should also consider doing something like this. It just got done and Mario did his cleanup. Mario wanted something that is called general anesthesia, but they don't do it. Like normally they don't do it. I don't know. He wanted to get to have some type of a feeling. Actually, was planning to buy something from Truffles, maybe a brownie. I picked up from Truffles 2 brownies. One is the hazelnut and the other one's a chocolate brownie. For my 21st birthday, I had purchased my birthday cake from there, from Truffles. They make good cakes, and I decided since we were over there only, might as well pick up a brownie and have it as a dessert. Right now it's around 4:30 and I need to go home and eat my chicken breast, and after that brownie, and then I'm going to go and hit the gym. We were done with Studio 32. Great service. Saili is a great dentist, so if you guys also want to go check it out, definitely go and do it. I would rate it a 5 on 5. Right now I'm gonna have the hazelnut one, and the other brownie I'm gonna have later. I'm just gonna do a taste test of this and tell you guys how it is. It's good. I would rate this another bite. I would rate this a 7 on 10. It's good, but I've had better brownies before. I won't have the regular normal brownie now, but later on after my gym I'm going to have it because we are going to go for pickleball, and yeah, for some reason I want to have it after my gym. I just got done with my legs workout. I'm just going to put fuel in my bike and then eat some egg or something, some protein source, and then we are going to go head out for pickleball. So I had the brownie. It was okay. I would rate this one as 6. The hazelnut was even better. Right now I'm heading towards to play pickleball, and Vaughn's come over there. Just watching some videos on the rules of pickleball and all because it's our first time playing. We just reached next to the pickleball court. It's in Ribandar, the Kadamba Plateau. I'm going to show you guys the pickleball court. We started playing pickleball and this is the court. Since it's our first time, it's a bit difficult like to get hang of it. Ricky and the team has won one game.
10-5.
This guy started counting out of nowhere. We were not even ready. We were just testing out how it is. Beginner's luck.
Beginners luck, guys. Are nice one. Oh, nice one. Lovely, Ray. That's the game. Yours. Easy. Oh. Three love. Half point. Half point. This side is a change. Actually. 6-0. Let's do this. Oh, nice one. Out. Out? Yeah. Bounce, right? 8-0. 7-0. No, 7-0. 7-0. Sorry. My bad. On the line, no? On the line. Oh, nutmeg. Foul, no? No point, right?
We are leading. What is the score? 9-1. 7-1. Wait, Mare. We'll focus on you guys.
Yeah. Alright, nice. Sorry. Wrong color, man. In, out. In, Ray. On the line, actually. Oh, you okay? Okay, good. Yeah. Good. Yeah, all very good.
We just got done with our game and Ricky's team won by 2-1. Oh, we did play one extra game, no? That we won.
That we won.
So it's 2-all, and yeah, but and then we started training because we was getting used to the the rules and all. It takes time. I think one more game is required, and then we'll be pros at it.
Yeah, we kind of need some practice right now because we're just noobs in this game. But we got the hang of it pretty soon because we used to play table tennis and badminton earlier. So I mean, you apply the same techniques here and there as well. Guys, we had an amazing time playing pickleball and we won the game, but Alistair didn't vlog that because he makes content only when he wins. I'll see you all next time.